Special thanks to Wooden Railway Stories for making this review possible. Don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Link will be in the description. Hello everyone, and welcome back to BGM Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Race Day Relay set. So, let's get started. We'll take Thomas away because this Thomas actually didn't come with the set. The set I got is missing Thomas, the cargo car, and the trophy, but that doesn't really matter to me. I really just wanted this set for Gina, because if you guys didn't know, Gina is exclusive to this set. But it came with everything else, and I think this Great Race sign is pretty cool, and it may come in handy for future. Alright, so if we take a look at this first scene here, we've got Sir Topham Hatt and a big crowd, and as Gina rolls through this, the flags come out. Then what happens, we travel around this corner, up the nice mountain-esque thing where you can see Victor and I think that's James down there, and I believe there's detailing on the other side, but we'll get to that in just a moment. And we have another nicely detailed riser with Harold. What comes next is this little slope here, which has a little gate that can drop down, and not have Gina fall down the other side, where she can wait, fall down, and come here to the kind of ungrand Vickerstown Bridge, but oh well. And we have a nice catch point and a loop back around. So let's send Gina on her way down. And there she lands. So she can come around here and back to the shunting race where we see Ashima. And you see this cool little mechanism that pushes as this rises. It drops a little stopper, and we'll demonstrate again with Thomas. Again, this Thomas did not come with this set, though they usually do. And there he is. He never quite makes it, neither does the regular engines. They never quite make it completely like straight here, as you can see. But it does, ooh, that's weird. But it does create some interesting crashes or something, you know, for your kids. Yeah, that's about it for the overview of this set. Now what do I think of this set? Actually, let's take a look at some of the other detailed parts. On the other side, we can see this Sodor brass band. Actually, that's kind of neat. I didn't know this. I didn't notice it, but they've got the Sodor brass band. And look over there. Anyways, if we can pull this off, take a look on the other side, you can see the inside of the Steamworks where Emily is getting repainted, and Kevin is being blocked by these plastic things, which do not come out. They're non-removable. I believe there's just the same sort of detailing on the other side of Harold's, and on the other side of this you can see some children seem to be watching the race or waiting for the race to begin. In reality, this is just a glorified oval, but you know, it's not a bad set. But it does have a lot of plastic, like And this wood's pretty thin, I must say. Like there's plastic here. On this piece, this is complete plastic. This is plastic. All this is plastic. There's plastic here, plastic down there, plastic there, that. The whole Vickerstown Bridge is made of plastic, and so is that piece there. And those three curves are also plastic. So there's a lot of plastic used in this set. And yeah, it's kind of better than what we've been seeing with Thomas Wood plastic, but still not good nonetheless, in my opinion. But it, like the bottom of the Vickerstown Bridge could definitely have been made of wood and then been painted or something. But laziness, I don't know. Cheapness, probably. Oh well. But if you find this set for a decent price, it's definitely not worth $150. If you find it for about $50, $60, $70, I'd definitely say go for it. It's definitely a good set, especially if you don't have Gina. And now I am just missing Frida, and I will have all of the Great Race engines released so far from Mattel. I mean, so far, well, considering there could be like ATN that could be released in Thomas Wood. And here comes Bill and Ben to cause trouble because there's some of my new additions as well. And they seem to want to take the show, so I better end off this review. This set's definitely worth having for the nice set pieces. I mean, even the Vickerstown Bridge. It's small, but it's still nice. And I like the three. This is actually the third story up here, and there's room for expansion, which is kind of neat. So yeah, this set, it's worth it if you get it for a decent price. But I think that's going to do it for this video. So thank you for watching, and once again, thanks to Wooden Railway Stories for making this video possible. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.